name's Rick Crook. I live in Kalispell, Montana, and have a collision and refinishing shop. WyoTech's been around for many years, 55 plus years, and to be recognized in the second year is a great honor. I would never expected being at this early in the Hall of Fame. Right out of high school, I was into collision and refinishing, worked at a body shop for 5 or 6 years, then painted airplanes, and then I actually got into oil and gas. And oil and gas in 2014 started getting slow, and I made a conscious effort at that time that I wanted to go back to WyoTech. So in 2016, I was able to do it. I studied at WyoTech collision and refinishing because I wanted to get back into that field and career, wanted to update the latest and greatest in collision and refinishing out there with all the electronics and ADAS systems. I enjoyed all the courses, but the one that I really enjoyed the most was the ASM course. That extra attention on business management, human resources, finances, and all that. And I also wanted to take the associate's degree course in automotive service management. That's what I was really looking for to get out there and hone in for that desire to be that business owner and run my own shop. It was a very odd feeling being 40 years old going back to school, but I was devoted to doing it, and so all I did was study and concentrate. And I did use my age and stuff to help some of the other kids in there so they was able to graduate as well. After I graduated in 2017, I went back to Kalispell, had a job already lined up, and worked there for approximately 4 years with the intention of still trying to have my own shop. And then I ran into somebody that was selling their shop, and it took about 8 months of meeting with bankers, small business developers, and different things like that, and was able to finally get the financing set up and take place to purchase that shop. And that was in end of March in 2021. So a little over 3 years now of running the shop. The best thing about having that shop is the rewards of, I have 12 employees and providing them with a good living. It's great. I've done a lot of projects on the side too. We did some stuff for Toys for Tots. Recently did a whole truck makeover for Make-A-Wish. It's been great. My advice for anybody, as far as if you're just getting out of high school, do it. I wanted to when I was 18, just out of school, but it took me till 40 to come back. If you're older and you want to do it, go for it. You know, that was my dream. So don't let anything stop your dream. It might not work out the first time. It might take you 4 or 5 years like it did me after I got out of school, but don't give up. Do it. It's a great industry. It's a dying art, and we need more techs out there in the collision side and diesel and automotive and everything.